Hi everyone, if you are finding this content helpful and want to dive deeper into the course, make sure to check out the entire course available on Udemy. By purchasing the course, you will get access to the course content, downloadable resources, and exclusive material to help you master developing this app using Flutter and Firebase. The link is in the description below. We have built the restaurant application, users application. Now it's time that we build the driver application. So for that, we will go with a new Flutter project. We will choose application. We will go with the destination. We have Uber Eats, Uber Restaurant. Now it's time that we select the destination folder. And here we will go with our project name, and it's going to be Uber Eats Driver. And here we will get a basic counter application. So it is creating our new project. And here we want to go with our folder architecture. So we'll go with model, view, controller, then comes up constants, and another folder is going to be utils. Now it's time that we copy some of the code from our Uber Eats application. So here is our Uber Eats application. The first thing which we're gonna do is copy the asset folder. So we'll copy it from here. We will go to Uber Eats driver, and inside of it we will paste the asset folder. Now let's have a look onto this images. We have splash screen image, we have categories. So we don't need the categories, just delete it. We have splash screen images and we have fonts. Now it's time that we remove all of these comment out codes from our PubSpec of Uber Eats driver application. Now here we have removed up all of the commented codes. Now it's time that we add our images and add the font. So we'll head back to Uber Eats application, go to PubSpec YAML, head down, and here we do have our fonts. Copy the fonts, move back, and here we'll paste the fonts. And next, what we are going to do is paste the assets. Okay, we will copy these assets, go back and paste here. We don't need this. Let's remove here. So categories we are not looking forward. So let's remove the categories. And here we do have the splash screen. Next thing which we want is that we have to add up some of the packages. So let's have a look. What are those packages? We will come up here. We will copy Sizer, Country Picker, Font Awesome. More or less all of the packages we are going to use. So we'll copy all of these packages, go back here and paste them up here. Now we have to add some permissions also. So we'll go to Android, app, source, main, and here we have manifest file. Let's come down here and open Uber Eats, go to Android, app, source, main, Android manifest, and here we have to copy this metadata for our Google Maps. Copy this one, go back to Uber Eats driver, and here we have to paste this metadata. Now, next thing which we are looking forward is the permissions. We have to copy these 3 permissions, go back here, and here we have to paste all of these permissions. Another thing which we have to change here is in build Gradle, we have to go with minimum SDK version 21. You can go with 20, but I prefer 21. And another thing is we have to enable multitask. So we'll head back to Uber Eats, app build Gradle, and here we will come down, we will copy this line of code, multi-text enabled, copy this one, head back here to Uber Eats driver, paste here, and we are good. Save this one. Now come back to lib, go to main, and here we will just replace with our main function. Let's go to lib main, copy the entire code, head back to Uber Eats driver, and paste here. Right now, we are not looking forward for any kind of providers, so let's remove this one. And here we have to go with the sign-in logic screen. We will again head back here. We'll go to sign-in logic screen, copy this entire folder, and head back here. And inside view, we will paste the entire folder. And it's going to be sign-in logic screen. Let's remove this one. And here we do have mobile auth services. So we'll again head back, and here we do have auth screens. Copy this entire folder. Here inside view, we will paste auth screens. Now we'll again head back, go to controller services. We have auth services. Copy this folder, and inside controller, we will go with two folders, services, and another folder is going to be provider. Let's inside services, we will paste the mobile auth services. And again, we will head back. We have the constants. We will copy the constants.dart file, and inside constants, we will paste it. Now we are in mobile auth services. Let's remove this and import all of them one by one. We have this mobile auth provider. Let's go back. Inside provider, we have auth provider. Copy this file, head back here, and inside provider, paste it. Let's copy this auth provider, and here we have OTP screen. Let's import the OTP screen file. We have sign-in logic screen. Let's import this one, and here we do have bottom navigation bar Uber Eats and user registration screen. So let's go to mobile auth services. Okay, we are in mobile auth services. We are in auth screen now. Let's fix the screens. Let's remove this. And now let's import all of them one by one. Okay, we have to go with app textiles also. So we will come to utils, copy this entire folder, head back here, and from here we will just remove this folder, and inside of lib we will paste the utils folder. And here we have to import the colors file, and our textile file is good. So let's import the textile in our mobile login screen, and one by one we will just go with all of them and fix all of the errors. Now here we do have this mobile auth provider. We have to import this, and here we have mobile auth services. We will import this file. So our mobile login screen is good. Now it's time we fix the OTP screen. We will head back and import all of them and fix them. Let's go down. We have this. We will fix this one. We have to import the app textiles file, and here we have to import the mobile auth provider file, and this is good. Now we have to go to sign-in logic screen, and here we will import the sign-in logic. Here inside controller we have mobile auth services. Now the only thing remaining is bottom navigation bar of Uber Eats and user registration screen. Let's come to Uber Eats, and from here we will go to bottom navigation screen. So we'll go to view. Here we have bottom navigation bar. Copy this entire folder, come back, and here we inside view we will paste the entire folder. Let's remove all of this. And now let's pick them all of them one by one. So we'll remove this get reference thing, and here we do have 5 screens. So in our Diver application, we will be rolling out with 2 screens only. One is the map screen, another is like the how many orders the driver have delivered today. And third one is going to be the account screen. So let's create a new folder. It's going to be home screen. Next, it's going to be activity screen, or you can say history screen. And the last one is going to be account screen. Let's create Dart file inside of it. Account screen dot. Let's go with stateful widget here, and it's going to be account screen. Here we'll go with the scaffold, body, center, style. It's going to be a text, and let's say account screen. We'll go with the style, app text style. Let's go for body 14. Save this one, and we will do the same for all of the others. So I will copy the scaffold, go to home screen, create a new file, naming it home screen dot. And here we'll go with a stateful widget. And it's going to be home screen. And here instead of placeholder, we will return the scaffold. Let's import material here and remove this to import. We have to import the app text style, and here we will go with home screen. Now it's time that we go to history screen, create a new file, naming it history screen dot. Go with the stateful widget here, and it's going to be history screen. And here we will go with scaffold. We have to import the material, import the app text style, and here it's going to be history. Let's remove this to import, and here we are good. Now we'll go to bottom navigation bar. We have home screen, import the home screen, and have account screen, import the account screen, and instead of this tree we will roll out with const history screen. And at last we want to add a comma. Now let's import the colors file. We have home, we have account, and in between we will just remove 2 of them. And here instead of category we will go with history, and it's going to be list. And here we are good. Now we'll go to mobile auth services file, and here we will import the bottom navigation bar. So the only thing that remains now is user registration screen. So we'll look for that where we are checking the where we are calling the check user registration. So here we are checking the check user registration. So we will simply just comment it out for now. and we will go with navigator.push to bottom nav bar screen. So bottom navigation bar Uber Eats. Copy this one, go to the top, and here just paste it. And we will comment out this check registrations, check user registration function for now. Now we'll go back to main.dart. Let's import sign in screen. And here we have to go with the provider. So we will head back again to Uber Eats, go to main.dart. And from here, we will copy the mobile auth provider. Let's come back here, paste the provider and import them. We will remove all of them. Now here we have to set up our Firebase.
Hi everyone, if you are finding this content helpful and want to dive deeper into the course, make sure to check out the entire course available on Udemy. By purchasing the course, you will get access to the course content, downloadable resources, and exclusive material to help you master developing this app using Flutter and Firebase. The link is in the description below.